Bob, you drunk bastard, get the hell out of my boat. Oh, I know you didn't just flip me off. Now it's on, you drunk son bitch. That's what I thought. Oh, hey guys. Sorry about that, didn't see you there. Now, I was just coming out here because we finally got the new game bird regulations. When I get my new game bird regulations, I like coming to my duck boat, sitting in my duck boat, and reading them. But, since you're here, might as well do a video response to Liaison Ferns, Bushcraft, and Survival. The other day, he asked a question, why we bushcraft? What got you started? Stuff like that. Well, the reason I bushcraft, or as much as I can out here in the desert, is just because it goes along with survival skills and SHTF. I started bushcrafting, I don't know, a few years ago with what I could out here in the desert. I mean, it's not easy. Can't do all the high-speed stuff you can over on the other side of the mountains or, you know, in the woods. But every little bit helps for survival. I mean, the less stuff you have to take out with you to the woods, the better. Anyways, that's about it for me. I learn as much as I can and practice bushcrafting just to help with my survival skills and help post SHTF. Thanks for watching, and check out Liaison Ferns, Bushcraft, and Survival. I'll put a link down below. Now, I got some duck hunting regulations to read. See you next time.